Today, we will talk about how to sell a mobile home. Let's have a look at the details. While perhaps not as difficult as selling your own fixed residence abode, selling a mobile home still takes some planning. To make sure you get the best possible price with the least amount of hassle, you can learn to prepare the mobile home for sale, advertise it effectively, and close the deal yourself. The first method is getting started. Clean your mobile home thoroughly. Before you get your mobile valued or attempt to list it or show it to anyone, spend a good amount of time cleaning it thoroughly, from top to bottom. A clean home will sell much faster than one that looks like it needs care. Make any necessary repairs before listing the property. Pay particular attention to leveling issues, plumbing problems, and any other fixable features that will make someone think twice about buying your mobile home. Determine the value of the mobile home. Before you list the mobile home, you need to find out how much it's worth and how much you still owe on it, if any. Consult with your lot manager to see if there are any neighborhood or sign restrictions before you post any for sale signage. The second method is listing the property. Take listing photographs. Your first impression on a potential buyer is always the most important, so take a variety of high-quality pictures that will make your house look attractive and desirable. Advertise your mobile home online and in the trades. The best way to attract potential buyers is to list your mobile home on a database of homes, like Mobile Homes by Owner, found here, as well as any other local trade papers and classifieds that will print short ads. The more places you list your mobile home, the more likely it will sell quickly. Be available for inspections and showings. Get ready. If you've done your job right, you're going to have a lot of people getting in touch and wanting to check out your mobile home, walk through, and call with specific questions. Try to set aside specific hours to schedule showings, or even consider holding an open house, so everyone can show up and check out the property at the same time. Close the deal. When you find someone willing to make an offer that you think is acceptable, fill out the necessary paperwork to make the deal complete. Select an acceptable move-in date and turn the keys over to the new owner of the mobile home. And the third method is completing the sale. Transfer the title to the new owner. All ownership documentation needs to be transferred to the new owner. Depending on the model of mobile home you're selling, you probably have a title, similar to a vehicle title, that you need to transfer to the new owner. You can do this by obtaining the transfer form from the Bureau of Motor Vehicles, BMV, and signing it over to the buyer. Provide a certificate of occupancy, if necessary. In certain states, a certificate of occupancy or a proof of residence must be present at the premises, which you can transfer over to the new owner. The purpose of the document is to act as a record of the residence at a particular location, for the purposes of insurance and zoning. Furnish a bill of sale. Anytime a major sale is completed, you need to furnish a bill of sale to the buyer to make it legal and make the transaction binding. This is an important step to guard yourself against the possibility of litigation or dispute in the event that the buyer changes their mind regarding the purchase. Contact the Commerce Secretary in your state to learn more about the proper forms and procedures for completing a bill of sale in your state. Consider hiring a real estate agent if you can't close the deal. Selling a home of any kind by yourself can take up lots of time. If you're busy with work, kids, or other responsibilities, it can be too much. Don't invest all of your time in the sale of the mobile home, if you can turn some of the responsibilities over to a professional real estate agent who can do the job for you and get it done quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.